Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Khadija Munir and this is Computer Application 2. This course is for BS Chemistry 4th and today's our lecture number 3. Today's our topic is Microsoft Word interface. This is the interface of Microsoft Word. Topmost bar is known as title bar and below the title bar there is a tab bar is present, a menu bar, and below menu bar there is a ribbon, and then below ribbon there is ruler is present, and below ruler there is a text area, and the bottom of your word is status bar, page layout, and zoom. We will discuss these topics in the later section. Now, what is office button? Office button is located on the top left corner of the window. In latest version of Office is replaced by File tab. When you click the button, it offers a list of commands to perform different tasks, which are new, open, save, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close, and exit. And this is your Office button. Now, what is Quick Access Toolbar? Quick Access Toolbar lies next to the Microsoft Office button. It is a customizable toolbar that comes with a set of independent commands. It gives you quick access to commonly used commands such as save, undo, redo, etc. Save, undo, and redo. When you click on this drop down arrow, and this is next to these commands shown to you, you can select any other option or deselect any option for your quick access toolbar. Title bar. It lies next to the quick access toolbar. It is topmost bar. It displays the title of currently open document or application. It is present on almost all windows displayed on your computer. So if there are several windows across the screen, you can identify each window by looking at the title bar. In many graphical user interfaces, you can also move a window by dragging the title bar. Minimize and maximize. When you click the minimize button, the program becomes a button on the window task located at the bottom of the screen. If you have multiple files from the same program open, you will need to select one you want to restore to active mode. When you click the maximize or restore button, the program assumes the same shape and size it was before you minimized it, or the program window will fill the screen. Ribbon. Ribbon contains commands organized in three components: tabs, groups, and commands. Tabs. They appear across the top of the ribbon and contain groups of related commands: home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, with additional tab pictures tool format and drawing tool format. Groups. They organize related commands. Each group name appears below the group on the ribbon. For example, group of commands related to fonts or group of commands related to alignment, etc. Commands. Commands appear within each group as mentioned above. Home tab. The Home tab is default tab in Microsoft Word. It has 5 groups of related commands: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. It helps you change document setting like font size, adding bullets, adjusting styles, and many other common features. It also helps you to return to the home screen of document. Here you can see this is your clipboard. It consists of different commands. This is your font group. It also consists of different commands. And this is your paragraph group, and this is your style group, and this is your editing group. Each group has different commands related to each other. Insert tab. Insert tab is the second tab in the ribbon. As the name suggests, it is used to insert or add extra feature in your document. It is commonly used to add tables, pictures, clip art, shape, page number, etc. The Insert tab has 7 groups of related commands: pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footers, text and symbols. Page Layout tab. It is the third tab in the ribbon. This tab allows you to control the look and feel of your document. That is, you can change the page size, margins, line spacing, indentation, documentation, orientation, etc. The Page Layout tab has 5 groups of related commands: themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, and arrange. Reference tab. It is the fourth tab in the ribbon. It allows you to enter document sources, citation, bibliography, commands, etc. It also offers commands to create a table of contents, an index, table of contents, and table of authorities. The Reference tab has 6 groups of related commands: table of content, footnotes, citation, and bibliography, caption, index, and table of authorities. Mailing tab. It is the fifth tab in the ribbon. It is the least often used tab of all the tabs available in the ribbon. It allows you merge emails, writing and inserting different fields, preview results, and convert a file into a PDF format. The Mailing tab has 5 groups of related commands: create, start mail, merge, write in, insert field, preview result, and finish. Review tab. It is 6th tab in the ribbon. This tab offers you some important commands to modify your document. It has your proofread your contents, to add or remove comments, track changes, etc. The Review tab has 6 groups of related commands: proofing, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. View tab. The View tab is located next to the Review tab. This tab allows you to switch between single page and 2 pages view. It also enables you to control various layout tools like boundaries, guides, rulers. Its primary purpose is to offer you different ways to view your document. The View tab has 5 groups of related commands: document views, show or hide, zoom, window, and macros. Picture tool format. When image is inserted to your document, New Image Tool Format tab will open. Here you can adjust your image by changing brightness, applying contrast, recolor, compress image size, change image, and reset image. Apply different picture styles, effects, border, shape, arrange images, align, rotate, crop, and height and width of the image. All these things you can perform by using picture tool format. Drawing tool format. When shape is inserted in your document, a new drawing tool format tab will open. Apply shape style, fill shape, outline shape, change shape, shadow effect, 3D effect, arrange shape, position, rotate, align, crop, and change the height and width of the shape. Rulers. The ruler is located below the ribbon around the edge of the document. It is used to change the format of the document. That is, it helps you align the text, tables, graphics, and other elements of your document. It uses inches or centimeters as a measurement unit and gives you an idea about size of your document. There are 2 types of ruler: horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. If your ruler is not visible, follow the steps listed here. Click the View tab to choose it. Click the checkbox next to ruler in the Show Height group. The ruler appears below the ribbon. Scroll bar. The vertical and horizontal scroll bar enables you to move up, down, and across your window simply by dragging the icon located on the scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar is located along the right side of the screen. The horizontal scroll bar is located just above the status bar. To move up and down your document, click and drag the vertical scroll bar up and down. To move back and forth across your document, click and drag the horizontal scroll bar back and forth. You wouldn't see a horizontal scroll bar if the width of your document fits your screen. Status bar. The status bar appears at the very bottom of your window and provides such information as current page and the number of words in your document. You can change word display on the status bar by right click on the status bar and select the option you want from the customized status bar menu. You click a menu item to select it, you click it again to deselect it. A check mark next to an item menu, it is selected. The text area. Just below the ruler, there is a large white color area called text area. You type your document in the text area. The blinking vertical line in the upper left corner of text area in the cursor is the cursor. It marks the insertion point. As you type, your text display at the cursor location. The horizontal line next to the cursor marks end of document. Document views. The way of document is displayed in Word is called view. The document view is present on the bottom bar and it is also present on view ribbon. You can view document in 5 different views: print view, full screen reading, web layout, outline and draft. Zoom. The zoom is present on the bottom bar in the right side and it's also present on view ribbon. You can zoom in or zoom out your document. Zoom out, click on plus, and for zoom in click on minus icon. Thank you.